Hello everyone. Today I upgraded my macOS to Tahoe. After upgrading my macOS, in the initial boot, I noticed there are a widgets got created on my desktop. Somehow I didn't like to have these widgets on my desktop. I would like to get rid of this widget from the desktop. There are a couple of ways you can remove these widgets from the desktop. One way is go to the settings and scroll down and check for desktop and dock, and scroll down and look for a widget section. Here you can see show widgets on a desktop checkbox. You just need to uncheck it. And this is a one way of removing the widgets from the desktop. I'll show you then another way. So let me check back so that widgets are visible again on the desktop. Let me close the settings. You can right click on a desktop and click on edit widgets. So it shows all the currently available widgets for our desktops, and also it is showing some of the widgets from my iPhone as well. So to remove the widget from the desktop, you simply click minus icon on top of the widget. But here you need to remove one by one widget by clicking the minus icon. Thanks for watching.